Hello, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are here at Arms Corps Marikina and we're gonna do firing. So, we know that it's gun ban here in the Philippines since January until June 2022. So, that's gonna be 6 months. But what we did last January is that we went here to Arms Corps Marikina and then we left our guns or nag-gun keep kami, and then so that we will be able to travel without bringing our guns or the units and then still do firing like what we're gonna do today. So for the gun keep, they just ask for your gun registrations, your PTCs. If you don't have PTCs, you can have your PTT or permit to transport for you to be able to leave your gun sa lockers, in the lockers of Arms Corps Marikina. And it's only 500 pesos per unit or per locker. And they will require you to buy a lock like this. You can buy it at Ace Hardware. Para siyang lock ng bike here. So, but anyway, since we're gonna do firing today, we were able to borrow 1 unit because we only left 2 guns, the Glock 17 and the Glock 19. So unfortunately we were not able to leave the CZ, Taurus, and the Glock 22 because I was not able to get the PTTs for them, and those guns doesn't have PTC. We just have PTC for the one that we carry, which is the Glock 17 and the Glock 19. And right now we were able to borrow STK, and that's what they were talking about, that it's like a duplicate of the Glock 17. So yeah, maybe we can do a comparison of STK and the Glock 17 later on. See you! Hello! So we already have here the STK 100 and here. So it's quite heavy here, but let me just check. Okay, so no magazine. So this is the STK 100. Here you go. The other side. Here. Oh, the grips. Oh, look. It also has a front serration and back serration, but it's all metal. It's heavy. See? And this is not mine. I just borrowed it. The magazines are also plastic with 17 rounds each. Let's try. Okay, we're gonna try STK 100 for 5 rounds. 3 meters. 3 meters. Firing. Jam. not able to compare STK 100 and Glock 17. Why? Why? Because, as you've seen, we found the jammer. it kept on jamming. That's what happened with the STK 100. I'm not sure if it was overused by a lot of people when it came out. It was super dirty. What? Don't know. But I thought at first that it was my grip, but it was not. Like, a couple of people tried using the STK 100 and it was also the same. It was jamming. So it's a jammer. But I can't judge it because it was it's a house gun. So a lot of people had been using it. We don't know. So ended up that we brought back the gun. The one, yeah, we returned the gun, the one that we borrowed, but it was free since it's a benefit of a member that you can borrow one unit. So there, can't really say anything. I can't give any insights. I can't give any comparisons because I was not able to use it.